Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial. This video made for a new investment site. That's the new money site. So if you want to invest this site, you will very benefit from this site. It's now trusted and it's for safely investment for you. So if you want to know this site, please stay with me and keep watching my video. Now I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Here is a part one part crypto related video uploaded and other part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information, please subscribe and press the bell icon button. You will get any information from my site. Okay, I try to every video uploaded for your safe investment and safe earning. Okay, so don't miss out. So now I introduce this site. It's the new mining site, and also it's new type mining site. So this site name is Bybit mining site. So hopefully this site is related to Bybit exchange. So Bybit is now second exchanger in world. So so I hope you will be easily earning from this site. So keep watching my video. First of all, I show you how many earn from this site. This site already 3 days running, so you can very opportunity for mining, and also its deposit package I also show you after few minutes. So that's the very easy earning. You can earning from this site 1 USD for 1 hour. If you are earning daily 3 hours, you can do this. If you earning daily 6 hours, you can deposit 5 USD. So if you want to 12 hours, you can do this. So if you do not log in every hour after, you cannot earn it from this. So logging and every time you mining this. Okay, every 1 hour after. So now I show you how many earning from this side. Okay, here is my financial management. Click on and here's a show you my earning noted. No deposit not now. So in future, if you want to more earning, so you can deposit now. Okay, so I request you, this is now safely for earning, so I can easily deposit this side. Okay, now I show you how to register this. When you come to my video description box, there is a link available here. Also my video running option. Okay, so first of you come this film the blanks. Okay, nickname, username, also mailbox, and also password. Get this code. How to receive this code? When you click this option, you go to your mail and easily you can receive this verification code. Okay, so you must be open your mail. This if when you comment this code, it's only 60 seconds time. Okay, now I fill up this. All the information and click this option, register. Okay, my registration is successful. Now I use this, save this. Okay, now login option, click. Here is the easy process of this site joining. So if you want to if you want to earning more earning, please click my link. If you avoid my link, you cannot join this session because of there is a mention to link out. Okay, so here is the task, how to earn information. When you join this, you got a 2 USD free. Okay, so you can use this and more earning. So now go to your asset. Here is show your USD. So go to your option. The daily return 1 hour. If you 3 hours after revenue, this $5 deposit now. Okay, so now click this option, enter, and all option. If you want to part, third part, fourth part, and all, you must be see this all option. Okay, so how many revenue? Please submit this, and it's now mining started. My mining is start. When you over it, you show here. Okay, it's very simple process of earning side. Okay, you can click this option. It is all automatically backlog. So how to withdraw option? If you want to withdraw from this side, you type your wallet and enter your amount, minimum 10 USD, and get this code. You click this option and get this code, and now click this. Okay, so it's handling fee 2%. So little handling fee from this side. Okay, is your financial management, your trading history. If you want to trade history, you come to this financial management. So it's very simple process. So and how to deposit this? Please recharge option, minimum, and click this option next time. $20 USD from recharge. So go to your exchange account and click this TRC20 address, 20 USD, and other not deduct from our this site. So it's a new mining site. So I request you please deposit now and keep mining. Okay, this site is Bybit now. Bybit created. So this Bybit maybe also come this site. So here is the trade price. I will show you. So I request you please deposit. Very good. So hopefully I show you how to earn from this site, Bybit land mining site. So don't miss out and keep mining. Okay, when I reach this $10, I also inshallah I make a video in future. Inshallah, don't forget my video. Okay, stay with me and keep watching all video. Okay, have you any question, please type the video comment box. Okay, I will solve you inshallah. Try to. Okay, so keep your health. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.